Hi chat, I'm Zattle. Welcome to Packet Chasers. We in for another great session. Shout out to my study group. Shout out to all my packet chasers. Today we're going to be talking about how many usable host addresses are in the stroke 26 subnet and how many usable net addies are in the stroke 26 subnet. So one of the easiest approaches we can take in determining the answers to these questions is we should start here. There's 32 bits in an IPv4 subnet address. They're all dot delimited by 8 bits. So if you're going to use 26 bits for the host address, we could start with this host to the right of the stroke. So that leaves us with 6 bits remaining. Now with those 6 bits, we're gonna have to use those to create hosts. So the math formula we use to determine the number of hosts available when using 6 bits is 2 to the 6 minus 2. That's going to equal to 64 minus 2, which equals 62. So what we can say is how many usable host addresses are in a stroke 26 subnet? 62. So the last remaining question we have here is how many usable net addresses are in the stroke 26 subnet? So if these bits are divided by 8 in each range, that means that this range here, 26, right, is going to be like 24 plus 6 is 30 plus 2. That leaves 30. That's all 32. So that means that there's 2 bits remaining to create usable net addresses with. Using that same formula, 2 to the 2 minus 2, that means you're going to get 4 minus 2, which is going to give you 2 usable net addresses in theory. But with nets, you're not going to have to subtract the 2. You're going to be able to use each range as a network address. So on the net side, the math is actually 2 to the 2. So that gives you 4 nets. How many usable net addresses are in the stroke 26 subnet? It's going to be 4 nets, family. So host to the right, nets to the left. Thank you again for taking time to check out our video. If you're interested in becoming a member of our study group, please reach out to the Patreon, join the Patreon, and you'll get invited and you'll get special videos of classes that we give. Also, if you like to get in the game or become a network engineer, me personally, I've been in the business for over 30 years. And if you want some advice on how to get into FANG companies, please reach out to me and book a session. I can work with you.